Proctor's Goat Farm and Life offers a variety of tours and packages. There are RV campsite packages that can include amenities, overnight stays, and of course, the Goat Life experience. Reservations are required. There are individual, family, and group tours available with different price points. The Goat Life experience includes milking a goat, feeding a goat, sampling handmade goat milk products, and a farm tour with the socially friendly goats. The farm goats are Nubian and Alpine. Nubians are known for their rich butterfat content to produce full-flavored artisan cheeses. Alpines are known for their excellent quantity of milk. According to the USDA, the fastest growing market for goat's milk is in the production of cheese. Together with the goats, they bring a unique line of products at markets, in stores, as wholesale and retail opportunities for parties, and more. Interact and play with the socially friendly goats on the trampoline. Next, tour the more than 12 accessible acres of the farm with the friendly goats with your friends and family. Goats out in the fields browse and forage constantly, eating grass, all types of weeds, other plants, and trees with twigs and branches. They can basically mow your lawn for you. The farm store includes a variety of handmade quality beauty products, such as lotions and soaps. is loaded with vitamins A, D, C, B1, B6, B12, and E. All natural, essential nutrients that feed the skin and are absorbed into the body. It also contains selenium, a mineral the body needs and is believed to play a role in the prevention of various cancer cells, including skin cancer. Also, a high content of alpha hydroxy acid, such as lactic acid, that work with skin instead of breaking it down and aging it further, leaving new cells on the surface that appear smoother and more youthful. Goat milk is also known to be effective for treating acne and skin conditions. Goat milk has antibacterial properties that delay the growth of microbial organisms that can cause the spread of acne. Goat Life soaps include goat milk combined with all natural oils, essential oils, and sodium hydroxide, or lye. It wouldn't be real soap without it. Lye is the ingredient that allows the oils and milk to form a hard bar of soap. After the curing process of about 3 weeks, lye dissolves from the soap. Goat Life lotions are made with goat's milk, shea, mango, cocoa or pomegranate butter, coconut oil, avocado, or sweet almond oil. Taste and purchase various delicious fudge options. The fresh handmade goat cheeses come in a variety of ways. Goat cheese has been made for thousands of years and was probably one of the earliest made dairy products. In the simplest form, goat cheese is made by allowing raw milk to naturally curdle, and then draining and pressing the curds. Other techniques use an acid, such as vinegar or lemon juice, or rennet to coagulate the milk. Soft goat cheeses are made in kitchens all over the world, with cooks hanging bundles of cheesecloth filled with curds in the warm kitchen for several days to drain and cure. If the cheese is to be aged, it is often brined, so it will form a rind, and then stored in a cool cheese cave for several months to cure. Goat cheese softens when exposed to heat, although it doesn't melt in the same way many cow cheeses do. Firmer goat cheeses with rinds are sometimes baked in an oven to create a softer, more viscous texture. For more information on Proctor's goat farm and life, visit pgfarmgoatlife.net or their Facebook or Instagram accounts. Goat Life products are also available at other locations, like Webb's Candy Factory and Central Florida's Visitor Center in Davenport, and Formosa Winery in Kissimmee.